Passed on Thursday last week, the Petroleum Industry Bill has been the subject of national discourse, with host communities of oil-producing states expressing dissatisfaction with the Senate for proposing 3% for host communities.
This is a press statement.
The Ijaw National Congress takes a stand against the proposal of the National Assembly.
We reject in its entirety the 3 and 5% provisions as compensation, the redefinition of host communities, and other provisions, including the allocation of 30% of our oil resources in the name of exploitation, a paradox of extreme kind that is not in symphony with common sense, equity, and good conscience. We call on Mr. President to demonstrate statesmanship by taking bold steps to quell these rising tensions by refraining from signing the bill until the National Assembly approves 10% as host community trust fund.
A particular point of reference of the Pan-Ijaw Elite Sociocultural Organization and the Ijaw Youth Council is the plight of the host communities who periodically bear the brunt of environmental degradation caused by spillage.
When they had cocoa, they manage their cocoa. When they had granite, they manage their granite. We have our oil. You don't rob us. It's very insulting. And we condemn it instead of 3%. What we are saying is that they should revisit it. Take it back to the 10%. That 10% is even paltry when compared to the monumental damage that is done to us. What we are advocating for is complete resource control. Give us our resources. Let's manage them.
We never asked Nigerian state to send pipeline to Niger. And so the Nigerian government benefits 60% from every operation of the operators, for which they should take money from there and take care of any community that transits pipeline to any part of the world from Nigeria. But the Ijaw Nation and the Niger Delta Republic, Nigeria and the Niger Delta region will not pay for your own actions. The oil should not bring us pain when other people's resources bring them joy. We've always been taken for granted. But for this issue, at this particular time, even the National Assembly will not be able to contend with the crisis if it comes.
Both Ijaw organizations call for calm, expressing hope that the percentage proposed in the PIB will be reviewed upwards. Ovietem George, Arise News.